I know it's something that people are not comfortable with, but social media is divided after the photos that were taken as a screen grab from Trixie's video on Insta Stories, where Didi is seemingly looking at Bravo in that way. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section with your opinions. Guys, let's just be honest. I'm saying this. I don't care if you're my friend. I don't care if you're my sister. I don't care if you are anybody else. You don't get to look at my boyfriend like that. And my boyfriend, you don't get a pass just because you know this person or you are a group. You know, in those social groups where people are looking at like that, because we are in like outside of that circle, we cannot know the dynamics and what really goes on. But the truth, not the truth, most of the time and often what happens is that people get too much comfortable where they should not be comfortable. You should never, maybe I'm saying this, I will not allow my friend to look at my boyfriend like that. I'll just grab you, take you to the side and say, but show me, you're making me uncomfortable. That's the truth. And to my guy, I will complain every night if that is what is happening. Like, you don't even respect me to look at each other like that. You don't care about my present because what? We are friends, we are used to this, we talked about this, and the friends are slapping it up, the bricks are happy. Like, no guys. No, guys, no friendship is worth my relationship, because at the end of the day, this is the person that I might get married to and still to live my life with. And you, as a friend, you might get married to someone in Nigeria, someone in America, someone in UK, and then you live in your life. But me now, I'm left with doubts. And let me tell you, in a grudge, that is a negative energy, because when I sleep at night, this thing comes back. Like, why are you looking at her the same way that you look at me? If this person is your friend, why are you like, guys, I'll put the pictures side by side where Bravo is looking at Trixie with those eyes, and then at the same time those eyes are looking at Didi. Guys, no. Maybe I'm way too young. I'm way too young because I'm not that mature. Maybe I'm stupid. Maybe I'm an idiot, because there's no way that I'm letting that happen. Nah, for myself. But I'm just shocked that everyone is like, okay, it's fine. The Brixies are like, it's fine. The Bees are like, it's fine. The Tricksters are like, it's fine. But it's the other fan base that are like, and people are saying, this is the ship we stand, this is the ship we wanted, this is the ship what, this is the ship no, what. Lena. Hey, okay, bye.